You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Length of the dress is 97 centimeters or 1 yard. One size pattern. You will need 11.5 feet long and 5 feet wide fabric. Cut and glue the pattern with a sticky tape. I use soft cotton fabric. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Cut 2 parts. Don't forget folding line while cutting. Cut 5 circle details, also add seam allowance. Make a cut on all 5 circle parts. Sew the side seams. Sew all 5 circles into one long bottom part. I use baby lock seam to finish the bottom. Now it's a good time to measure the dress. On your figure, make sure that the bottom edge is even. If you use stretchy fabrics, you may need to shorten the bottom edge. Sew the bottom seam. I use this kind of string for straps. You can also cut this string from the same fabric. It has to be cut from a diagonal fabric. First, I sew the front and back edges. Sew the string from an inner side of the dress. Now finish sewing from a good side. Make sure to cover the first seam. Sew the sides. Make both sides a bit longer. This will be the dress straps. Measure the strap length on your figure and sew it on the back of the dress, or add metal adjustable strap details. I also made a belt. You need to cut long rectangle, fold it in half, sew it, and there is your belt. Good luck with your new dress.